Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Zindagi. Today we are going to prepare a special recipe which I have learned from a friend and I love having this on weekends. When we want to have seafood at home, my go-to recipe is famous Konaseema Prawns Pulao. Let's see how to prepare this fantastic and tasty pulav at home. First, take prawns. Wash with water a couple of times. Add some turmeric and lemon juice. Keep it aside for 15 minutes. Wash again with water. Let's prepare a paste for this. Take a blender. Add handful of coriander leaves, handful of mint leaves. Take few curry leaves. Tear them and add them. Or you can add as it is to the blender. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Close the lid and make a smooth paste out of it. This is the paste that I have prepared with the mint, curry leaves and the coriander. I am going to now transfer this paste to the bowl containing the prawns. Next, I am going to add in some salt, 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now mix everything together so that the prawns get coated completely with the prepared paste. Heat a pan, add 8 to 10 tablespoons of oil. We are going to keep this pulav simple, so we are adding only few spices: 1 bay leaf, 1 star anise, 3 cloves, 6 to 7 green chillies. Now add few curry leaves, allow them to splatter in the oil. Now add 1 cup of chopped onions. Saute the onions until they turn translucent. Now add the prepared prawns and mix everything together. You can see the water starts to ooze out from the prawns once they start cooking. Now push the prawns aside, add 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute until the raw smell goes away. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, half tablespoon of red chilli powder, now mix everything well until all the spices are well combined. Add chopped mint leaves, fresh coriander leaves and mix everything well. I have here some water, which is the water from the blender which I have washed to prepare the paste. This is half cup. Next, I am going to add in 2.5 cups of water. For 2 cups of basmati rice, chop the curry leaves and add them. The curry leaves give more flavor to this recipe. Once the water starts to boil, I have here basmati rice which I have washed and soaked in water for 15 minutes. Drain the water and add the rice. Mix everything. Now finally we are going to add in some coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons of ghee, and close the lid. Cook on low flame until all the water evaporates. You can see our delicious and tasty Konaseema Prawns Pulao is ready to serve. You can have this Konaseema Prawns Pulao on its own and it tastes amazing. Do try this recipe and let us know how it turns in the comments. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Happy cooking, Zindagi!